This is the oldest way of preparing rice in Nigeria. And if you want to doubt it, just ask your grandmother if your grandmother is still alive. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today, I am going to be making palm oil rice. Before we started this idea of fried rice, coconut rice, pineapple rice, Chinese rice, curry rice, party jeloff rice, Cameroon jeloff rice. Before we started all this, there was a foundation. And if the foundation be destroyed, there's nothing the righteous can do. This is the original jollof rice that we grew up eating. You might call it concussion, you might call it native rice, whatever you call it, but we all started here. Before, I don't know what took over rice industry. Today, I don't understand what people are cooking. I can't just understand. How can you cook pineapple rice? Anyway, I can understand coconut rice. Anyway, today I'm going to be making what we know as original native rice. People make it differently, okay? I live in Germany, so this is what I have. So you start off with your palm oil. All you need is a little palm oil. Then if you have freshly plucked tomatoes and sometimes green tomatoes and pepper from your village garden, it is enough. And then you have some head dried fish, like dried fish, the head, those type that you will not use to cook soup normally in the village. It is enough. Then you have some crayfish, you have some broken bonga fish or any kind of fish, or even okporoko stockfish. You are good to go. Okay, once you have your rice, and we did not eat basmati rice. How did you people get here like this basmati? Like those days we ate rice that you would do exercise, like you exercise your bones before you ate the rice. Let me explain to you. That rice had chaff, like you put it inside the tray and you blow it and blow it and blow it. After you have finished blowing it for 1 hour, all the chaff will go out. Okay, then you will now start picking the stone. It is called Abakaliki rice. It is local. That is what they are selling to us today as biological rice, like what they are selling to us today, very, very expensive here in Germany as a bio product. Okay, that is what we used to eat that time. That was when we had what is called patience. Like if you didn't have patience those days, you can never ever eat rice. Before they started bringing foreign rice, before they started bringing all kinds of rice, we had Abakaliki rice, which is also known to that, or fada rice, which is also known to that local rice. And that rice was healthy. That rice is healthy. Like, I don't know if anybody is still fancying this new school. I don't know why I don't have interest in this new school anymore. Maybe because I'm getting old and I'm beginning to miss some of the ways that we lived those days. Anyway, if you're on this table, let me know. So this is practically rice. This is rice. It's not concoction. This is the basic. This was where we all started from. And then you have a little part, that damp part that you are going to scrape. When they have finished sharing, my grandmother or my mother have finished sharing the rice, then the other part that is burnt, we use spoon to scrape it. That time we did not have all this non-sticky pot. So we had original iron pot. No matter how you scrape it, can never ever destroy that pot. Never. Those pots senior your father. Okay. So guys, this is it. This is local rice. I hope you enjoy it. Make some for yourself. Sometimes you're tired of fried rice, jollof rice, all those kind of rice. Make something like this and have a different taste and thank me later. So this is what we call native jollof rice, and this is where it all began. Before you people, I don't want to say the devil took over the food industry. Anyway, this was what we used to have. Thank you, and we ate it with some salad. Okay, thank you, and see you next time, and bye.